Hey y'all, today I'm going to make a crockpot casserole with chicken, bacon, and tater tots. I've got one 32-ounce bag of Tots. I'm going to add half of this bag to the bottom of my crockpot. I've cooked and drained and chopped 7 slices of bacon. You can use more or less. I'm going to sprinkle half of this over the tater tots. I've chopped 2 large chicken breasts. I'm going to pour those over. I'm going to add salt and pepper. Garlic powder. I'm going to layer it with a cup of cheese. The rest of the tots. The rest of the bacon. And 1 more cup of cheese, or a little more. I'm going to pour in 2/3 cup of milk, and that's it. I'm going to pop the lid on this and turn it on, and we'll come back in a few hours and check it out. This smells so good. Let's give it a taste. Absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.